Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my hair this pink and how I retouch my roots. So before I get started, I just want to rave real quick about the bleach that I've recently been using. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because I know I'm going to mess that up. This is the bleach that I use and this is the developer. I'm going to be using a 30 volume. And this is my favorite. I've only used this twice, but I love this bleach. I only need to bleach once to get me to a blonde that's light enough for me to tone or to put color on top. I didn't really bleach my hair before. I started bleaching my hair after I shaved my head, and I was dealing with short hair, so I didn't really care about the bleach I was using. I would use really bad bleach and just like bleach over and over, and I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna keep shaving my hair off anyway, so I didn't really care about the damage. But now that I'm letting my hair grow out, my hair from like here to here, maybe a little lower, from like here to here is kind of damaged, and it's because I used to use really bad bleach from the beauty supply and like just anything I can find to lighten my hair. I would have to do it like 2 or 3 times to get a light enough blonde to tone or put a color on top. And since I found this, I only need to bleach once, and it still leaves me like a little yellowish blonde, but it lightens up enough for me to put a toner if I was just going blonde, or just throw color on top like I did this time. So yeah, I bought both of these on Amazon. The bleach is about $25 and this you can find for like $18. I think I bought a bundle and it was like $45 or something like that, but completely worth it. And honestly, I don't even think it's really expensive for the results I get, and for the fact that my hair is not even damaged after I do it, because I'm only doing it once. And I honestly don't know how the bond enforcing thing works in the bleach, because all bleach is going to damage your hair. But I know the concept of bond enforcing products because I have used Olaplex and that helps my hair. So I'm not 100% sure how this works in bleach, but I do see results. Alright, so enough about the bleach. This is the hair dye that I am using. This is my first time dyeing my hair pink, but I have used this brand a lot because I used to have red hair for like many years, and I would always retouch with an Adore. Every time I am planning on changing my hair color, I always go for this first, and if it doesn't work out, then I'll change it, but I always try this first. So when I first decided to finally dye my roots and retouch my hair, I had planned to only do the top and not take care of the sides because I was gonna shave that off. And then when I was finished, I didn't like the way it looked, so I went back and bleached the sides and all that stuff. It took me like 2 days to finish, but you guys won't see that. I'm just gonna add all the clips together. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Right now I'm still putting coconut oil on my hair. I'm gonna see if I leave it on for like maybe 30 minutes. I should have done this before and left it on for an hour, but that's enough. I'm gonna start mixing, and I don't really measure. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, so it says mix the desired amount of powder with Bond Me Premium Developer until a smooth cream is achieved. That's basically what I was gonna do. This is what the scoop looks like. I'm gonna start off with just 2 scoops, and then if I need more, I'll make more. All right, so I'm gonna be looking here because I have a mirror right here. I've been just putting hair color on my pre-lightened hair and avoiding my roots. And yeah, it's time because it's looking crazy. So I'm gonna separate my hair. I'm gonna start from the back. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 to 35 minutes. I put a bag over it so it'll trap heat, and I'm gonna go over for like 5 minutes with a blow dryer so it could get nice and hot. I whip it through the basement. I'm going mighty fast now. Oh, I'm in love with a cocoa. Oh, I'm in love with a cocoa. I got it for the cocoa. So I'm gonna leave that on for like 20 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, and as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, this is the result. This is how pink my hair is. At the roots, some parts are a little yellowish, and that's because this hair dye is not dark enough to cover the yellow. I don't like bleaching my hair twice in one day. I've already learned a lot from my previous mistakes. I'm okay with the little bit of yellow at the roots. Next time I retouch my roots again, I'll just go down a little further and take care of that. But I do not recommend you guys to bleach more than once in one day. Also, I am not a professional whatsoever. That should have been a disclaimer I said in the beginning, but I'm not a professional at all. I just learn from my mistakes and basically trial and error. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and if you guys want to see any like hair care routine or how I maintain my hair or anything else, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, see you next time.